What is bioerosion in taphonomy? Imagine a skeleton lying in the ground, slowly changing not, just because of the dirt but also because tiny creatures are nibbling away at it. That process is called bioerosion, and it plays a big role in how fossils look when we find them. Bioerosion happens after an organism dies, when microbes like bacteria and fungi start breaking down the hard parts of bones. These microbes produce acids and enzymes that dissolve the mineral parts of bones, changing their shape and surface. Sometimes, bioerosion creates holes or grooves on the bones, which can be mistaken for marks made by tools or animals. This makes it tricky for scientists to tell what happened to the bones after death. In the world of human evolution and biological anthropology, understanding bioerosion helps researchers figure out how long bones and fossils have been in the ground. If bones show a lot of bioerosion, it might mean they have been exposed for a longer time before fossilization. This can help estimate how old the fossils are or how quickly they were buried after death. Bioerosion can also hide or mimic signs of human activity, like cut marks or tool marks, which are important clues for understanding early human behavior. So, distinguishing between bioerosion and actual human-made marks is essential for accurate interpretation. Bioerosion occurs mainly due to two types of microbes. One comes from inside the body, called endogenous bacteria, which originate from the gut during decomposition. The other comes from outside, from microbes in the soil surrounding the remains. Both produce acids and enzymes that eat away at the bone tissue. The pattern of bioerosion depends on environmental factors like moisture, temperature, and soil chemistry. For example, bones buried in wet, acidic soils tend to show more bioerosion than those in dry, alkaline environments. From a taphonomic perspective, studying bioerosion helps us understand what happened to the remains after death. It can tell us how long the bones were exposed before burial or fossilization, and what kind of environment they were in. This information helps differentiate natural decay from other post-mortem modifications, like animal gnawing or human activity. In paleoanthropology, bioerosion also influences how well fossils are preserved and what kind of information they can give us about ancient environments and the conditions early humans experienced. In forensic anthropology, bioerosion can even help estimate the time since death. If bones show extensive microbial damage, it might suggest a longer period of exposure after death. Overall, bioerosion is a natural process that shapes the fossil record and helps scientists piece together the story of ancient life. Recognizing these microbial marks ensures we interpret fossils correctly and better understand the history of human ancestors.